Hi guys, so I dropped this signal earlier today on my VIP channel. As you can see, we are eating, guys. Let me show you guys my reason for the trade. All right, so my reason for the trade is on the higher time frame. This is a downtrend. I don't know what you're seeing, but to me, it's a downtrend. This is what the market is doing. It's creating lows. Market is creating lows. Market is creating lows. So this is obviously a downtrend. All right, the trend is not over. The downtrend is not over yet. So I waited for this market for a very long time. This is 4 hours chart. So I waited for this market for a very long time. All right, so I just waited for market to get into my point of interest, and I'll take my price. I'll take my open a position, which I did open so many positions right there. Okay, so yeah, my reason for the trade, you can see market created these structures, that liquidity around that level, so that it will be taking out those liquidity. This liquidity 1, 2, right? Liquidity, I know that markets will be coming back to take this level out, and it did just as predicted. So then when taking it out, I saw this massive rejection, though I didn't see it on time. So I saw this massive rejection, this bearish candlestick. This is what is it called? A gravestone. This gravestone candlestick chart. This gravestone candlestick. So after seeing this candlestick with this massive rejection, I know that markets will be going down. So I had to wait patiently for a bit of pullback. Market dropped down below, and then a bit of pullback up to this point because I missed the main entry, which was around this level. So when market went up again to this point, I decided to open a position on the lower time frame. I know the market will be creating that same structure. Let me show you. On the 30 minutes time frame, market is creating the same structure too. On the 30 minutes time frame, lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high. Markets will be dropping again. Then there's a range here. This range here, this is my confirmation. After this inducement, this is my bearish confirmation that markets will be dropping from this zone, because this place is a strong range zone. Okay, so if you know how to trade your fair value gap, you should know how to go. You should understand what I'm trying to say here. So I allowed the market to make a low. After making a low up to this point, I was waiting patiently. And the market touched this level, I had to wait for a rejection. There was a massive rejection. Then I gave the signal. I opened those positions. So we are running good profits now, guys. Running good profits. VIP, we've been winning back to back for days now. We've been winning back to back, guys. So I advise you guys to pick up a mentor. It must not be me. Someone that knows how to trade, that is willing to teach you his or her winning strategy. Okay, to give you everything you want. And with that, trust me, you'll be able to grow. You'll be able to make good money from trading. Forex trading is not a scam. Don't allow anybody to tell you it's a scam. It's not a scam. It's a real business. If you know what you're doing, you just need to know what you're doing. You win most of your trades. Okay. Our academy is opened for 2024 September. First week we are open. We start mentorship. So if you want to join us, smash the like button, subscribe, chat me up, check the description box to chat me up directly for mentorship. And the special discounts is running right now. So come to me, just talk to me. I'm willing to, assist people, make sure that everybody grow alongside with me. All right. So that's it, guys. Let's share this video. It's a very short video. Though I have a setup, I have a targets here 1 and 2, but I'm not looking at taking profits there. That is just what I gave my people. I'm looking at taking profits all the way down. Maybe we might drop back to this point, so I'm waiting to take profits down to that point by God's grace. Yeah, so but my people, I don't want them to start panicking. That's why I dropped the TP1 and TP2, but I'll still give them the instruction for them to keep holding down to maybe this level. By God's grace, we might hit this point. I don't know. I'm just hoping. All right, so trading is simple if you have a proven strategy. A good strategy with good risk management, you're good, you're profitable. All right, so that'll be all for now, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.